Good morning to Dr. Leslie. It is a new day, a bright sunny day in Western Samoa. This is the last stage of my entry e-portfolios, and it is based on wheat. As we all know that weeds are plants that are out of place, undesirable, and growing where they are not wanted. So this video is about the general concepts that I'll be talking about with regards to the weeds that I have grown with my bok choy, but the specific details of explanation will be in my e-portfolio, written e-portfolio. So yes, these are all weeds they have grown in along my bok choy plant. The weeds they compete for sunlight, space, nutrient, and water. When we compare weeds with other major pests, we know that they are immobile, they cannot move. They can only move if some external forces are applying to them, just like this. But somehow they are autotrophic. They make their own food through the process of photosynthesis, using the sunlight, water, and water down, and the nutrients. One characteristic about the weeds I know is that they have the ability to adapt to adverse environments. So even though now it is rainy season, but weeds still grow. The last time I checked, they were very little, but now they have grown so big. Weeds can be classified through their gross morphology. They can be either sedge, grass, or broadleaf. So from my weeds that I observed, there were 4 types of weed. One is asthma weed, which is also known as Euphorbia hirta. Another one is popcorn cassia, which is scientifically known as Senna mobotria. And then giant sensitive plant, which is the Mimosa pigra, and Bahia grass, Papsalum notatum. So for asthma weed, this is asthma weed. As you can see, there are many different varieties of asthma weeds growing here. And we have the giant sensitive plants, and also the Bahia grass. The Bahia grass is this one. They are like sedge and a mixture of grass. And we have popcorn cassia. It's the little one here. You can see this is popcorn cassia. So this is the weeds that I have. It has affected my plant really badly, and I did not manage to harvest my plant because my plant didn't grow to their fullest potentials. So as you can see, because of weeds, we can see here the remain of my cabbage. We can tell now that it has wilted away and it cannot compete anymore. The weeds have outgrown my cabbages. It goes the same for the rest of the pot plants. So yeah, that's the weeds I'm basing on. Even though weeds are pests, plant pests, but they also have some benefits. There are a lot of benefits that will be discussed in my e-portfolio. But with regards to one of the benefits with one of my weed is that asthma weed, it has a medicinal value. It is used for skin disease, can be used for diarrhea, and it helps in infertility in men. We can control weeds by applying preventive method, cultural method, chemical methods, biological methods, and manual control. So preventive method, we can use crop rotation. Cultural method, we can use plowing fallow field. Chemical methods, we can use herbicides such as Dinoseb. And there's another one that's inside my portfolio I mentioned. Biological method, we can use the introducing of natural enemies or predators for the weeds. Manual control, we can just apply hand picking, the simplest one, environmental friendly. So thank you for listening to my short video with regards to weeds for my entry tree. I would like to thank you, Dr. Leslie, for this challenging semester, and it has been a pleasure learning a lot from you. Thank you very much. Have a blessed day.